by Judith E. Nair, illustrated by Linda Silvestri. Harry and his hat. Harry finishes making his hat just in time. See where he is going. See how hard it is to get there. Oh, Good, by Judith E. Nair, illustrated by Linda Silvestri. Harry finished making his hat. It was bright red and had a big feather. He was all ready to go.
Oh, good.
Harry went out, but just then a big wind blew. Whoosh! It blew the hat off his head.
Oh, no.
Harry jumped on his bike and raced after the hat. It swirled and swirled, but he almost had it.
Oh, good.
Then the bike flipped high up into the air. Harry reached for his hat, but he couldn't get it.
Oh, no.
Then the hat landed. Harry jumped off his bike and ran after the hat. He almost had it.
Oh, good.
But a bird picked it up and dropped it on top of a very, very tall flagpole.
Oh, no.
Harry started to climb the flagpole. He got closer and closer and closer, and he got the hat.
Oh, good.
Then Harry tipped over. He dropped the hat and fell off the pole.
Oh, no. It's getting late.
But a truck full of pillows was driving by. Harry landed on a pile of soft pillows.
Oh, good.
He jumped off the truck and ran for the hat. But a lady whizzed by on a skateboard, and she grabbed the hat.
Oh, no.
The lady zipped down the road. She tossed the hat to Harry.
Oh, good.
The hat sailed through the air. It twisted and turned. It turned and twisted. It landed at Harry's feet just in time.
Oh, good.
Harry picked up the hat and put it on.
Oh, good. I got here just in time.
The crowd cheered, and Harry led the parade. Ups and downs. This story has lots of ups and downs and plenty of surprises. It's fun to guess what will happen next and what will happen in the end.